All right, another video ahead. So I went ahead and I pre-cut this leather strip. I'm going to make a slip case for this custom. It's actually two knives in one. The blade is from Premble knives, and I have mated it with a case knives handle, and I modified that shape as well. There is a video if you ever want to check it out. Definitely nice little unique piece. Features some Purple Heart scales, acid washed, etc. Beautiful. Walk and talk. So with that being said, I am going to customize this piece onto this custom folder, one of a kind, and hopefully come up with something decent. Alright, so what I'm thinking, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pattern onto this leather. I'll share with you real quick what I came up with. I took a bar stool and then I just put all kinds of cuts into it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that to make those grooves onto here. Alright, as you can see, I put those patterns in there. And on to the next stage. And that is to glue it. So not that difficult. Just glue, hold it down, let it dry. Alright, here's how I'm looking. Just glued it up. Ended up cutting some access out of that. It was a little too wide. So I think that will do it. What do you think? Alright, on to the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand the sides, get it nice and squared. Then I'm going to draw lines going down, hopefully keep them nice and straight. And then after that, start punching the holes. Then the logo, eyelet, and then I will hand stitch it. Here's how I'm looking. So before I start hand stitching, what I'm thinking is I'm going to dye it. I have to fix this little corner here. Messed up. It's a little uneven, but hopefully get it close enough. And yeah, that's how it's looking. So it's all freehand, you know. So shout out to the X-Acto blade for keeping me on my toes. Final stretch right here. Okay, going backwards. Okay, onto the back. And this one's all set. Take out that needle. And now this one goes out on the back. Like that. Pull them tight. And cut. Just finished her up. Came out pretty good. Not sure what that stain is, but maybe glue. Hey, it gives a character, right? See if I can do this one hand. It's not fit right there. Well, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick project. Speaking of projects, on to the next project we go.